Did you know that with just 30 minutes a day, you can transform your body and mind in ways you can't even imagine? From improving your physical health to boosting your mood, running is one of the best investments you can make in yourself. Today, I'll tell you exactly what happens to your body when you decide to run every day. Let's get started. Running is one of the most complete physical activities out there. You don't need an expensive gym membership or complicated equipment, just a good pair of shoes and the will to get moving. The best part, 30 minutes a day is enough to experience significant changes in your health. But what exactly happens to your body if you make this a daily habit? From strengthening your heart to improving your sleep, here's everything you need to know. What are the benefits of running 30 minutes a day? Let's start with the heart. Every time you run, you make your heart work more efficiently, improving blood circulation. This reduces the risk of heart disease, regulates your blood pressure, and helps your body pump oxygen more effectively. Essentially, your heart becomes stronger, benefiting your entire body. Now, let's talk about your metabolism. Running is an incredible way to burn calories. In just 30 minutes, you can burn between 200 and 400 calories, depending on your weight and speed. But that's not all. After running, your metabolism stays elevated for hours, meaning you continue to burn calories even at rest. Perfect for those aiming to lose body fat. Running doesn't just strengthen your body, it transforms your mind. Every time you run, your brain releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals. This reduces stress, combats anxiety, and can even help you overcome tough days. Have you ever heard of the runner's high? It's real, and it can change your outlook on the day. Do you have trouble sleeping? Regular running might be the solution. This activity regulates your sleep cycles, helping you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper rest. Plus, running boosts your daily energy levels. It sounds contradictory, doesn't it? But the more you move, the more energy you have. It's like a virtuous cycle of well-being. Let's answer some frequently asked questions about running. Is it bad to run every day? This is a common question. The answer is, it depends. If you run at a moderate intensity and listen to your body, running daily is not only safe but also beneficial. However, it's essential to include active rest days or alternate with low-impact activities to avoid overuse injuries. What if I've never run before? No problem. If you're a beginner, start slow. Alternate between walking and light jogging, gradually increasing your running time. The key is consistency, not speed. Should I eat something before running? Great question. If you run in the morning, a small carb-rich snack like a banana might be enough. If you prefer running on an empty stomach, make sure to hydrate well and avoid pushing your body too hard. Find what works best for you. Before heading out for a run, remember, a good pair of shoes is essential to protect your joints. It's also crucial to spend a few minutes warming up to prepare your muscles and prevent injuries. After finishing your run, don't forget to cool down with gentle stretches. This will help you recover faster and feel better the next day. Now that you know everything running 30 minutes a day can do for you, what are you waiting for? Let me know in the comments. Do you already run, or are you thinking of starting? If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this motivation. See you in the next video.